Welcome to this informative video exploring the multifaceted cultural traditions of Saudi Arabia. In this episode, we will embark on a captivating journey into the kingdom's rich tapestry of customs, practices, and heritage that shape its distinctive cultural identity. Join us as we delve into the treasures of Saudi Arabian culture. Our exploration begins with the significance of traditional clothing in Saudi Arabian culture. The male attire, commonly known as the thobe, consists of a flowing white robe, while women gracefully adorn themselves with the elegant abaya and niqab. These garments not only symbolize modesty but also showcase intricate embroidery and a vibrant color palette, reflecting the artistic sensibilities that vary across different regions of the kingdom. No exploration of Saudi Arabian culture would be complete without savoring its culinary delights. The kingdom boasts a rich culinary heritage, with dishes like kabsa and mandi taking center stage. These aromatic rice dishes, often complemented by succulent roasted meats, tantalize the taste buds with a harmonious blend of spices and flavors unique to Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabian music and dance form an integral part of cultural celebrations. The enchanting melodies of traditional instruments, such as the oud and rabba, resonate throughout the air, while captivating folk dances like the arda showcase the rhythmic unity of participants wielding swords. These artistic expressions not only entertain but also serve as a means of preserving and cherishing Saudi Arabian heritage. Throughout the year, Saudi Arabia comes alive with vibrant festivals and celebrations. One of the most prominent among them is the Janadriyah Festival, a showcase of the kingdom's cultural heritage through traditional arts, crafts, and performances. This extraordinary event provides visitors with an immersive experience, allowing them to witness the cultural richness of Saudi Arabia's past while celebrating the nation's progress and innovation. Saudi Arabian hospitality is renowned worldwide for its exceptional warmth and generosity. The tradition of serving gahwa, or Arabic coffee, accompanied by delectable dates, exemplifies the graciousness extended to guests. Visitors are warmly welcomed into homes, and the bonds formed during these gatherings strengthen the social fabric of Saudi society. Saudi Arabia nurtures a deep appreciation for arts and calligraphy. Intricate Arabic calligraphy adorns mosques and public spaces, serving as a captivating visual testament to the kingdom's reverence for Islam. Moreover, Saudi artists create awe-inspiring works that fuse traditional motifs with contemporary expressions, reflecting the dynamic evolution of the artistic landscape. Saudi Arabian culture is an intricate tapestry woven with centuries of history, traditions, and enduring values. From the elegance of traditional clothing to the tantalizing flavors of its cuisine, from the captivating melodies of music and dance to the warmth of genuine hospitality, this nation embraces its rich heritage while embracing the promise of the future. We invite you to join us in our forthcoming episodes as we continue to explore the fascinating cultural tapestry of Saudi Arabia. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the cultural traditions of Saudi Arabia. We trust that you have gained valuable insights into the diverse facets that make this country so uniquely captivating. For more enlightening content on cultures from around the world, we encourage you to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Until our next encounter, may cultural exploration continue to broaden your horizons. Thank you for watching.